Welcome back. This is problem 8. Similarly to last one, we have our bounds of integration here, definite integral, and we're going to use our u to find our new bounds. And just go through the same exact process as last time. It's going to be a little bit more complicated computationally, but substitution-wise, very simple, what we're used to. So first, let's start off by finding the new bounds. U of 1 would just be 330 minus 4, because 1 squared is just 1. Equals 326 is our new a, our new bottom bound. U of 9 is 330 minus 4 times 81. 4 times 8. Let's see. Yeah, that's going to be 320. And then times 4 is 1 plus 4. So 324 minus 330. That is equal to 6. That is our new top bound. So we're going to rewrite that. I don't think WeBWorK wants to see this, but I like to usually switch them to have it from least to greatest, but we can't be doing that this time around. So we're going to have 326 and then 6 up here. So now let's find our du up here. Du. So the derivative of 330 is 0, and the derivative of negative 4r squared is take that square down, multiply by that 4, so negative 8 r, and we have dx. So let's get that negative 8 to the other side. Du over negative 8 is equal to r dx. We have this r to cancel out. Perfect. Perfect. Cancel that r out. Get that dx out of here. Now we can rewrite our integral a little bit. So we're given 326 to 6 square root of u negative du over 8. So we're going to separate that. 26, 6. Then we have, let's see, 1, 8, negative square root u du. And if you also want to rewrite it, you could now switch the bounds. This is equivalent to 6 to 326 to 1/8 square root u du. Both should yield you the same correct answer and should be correct for this problem. But I personally like it in terms of this. Some people like to keep it as is, but to each his own. So now we're actually going to compute the integral. We have 6, 326. Take that constant out in front. We have u to the 1/2 power du. And now it's a very standard integral. We add 1 to it. U 3/2 multiplied by the reciprocal, 2 over 3 times 1/8 is going to be 2u 3/2 over 24, which is just u 3/2 over 12, from 6 to 326. And that is our answer for part 1, both this and this. Now part 2, we need to evaluate that with these bounds. And let's see what we got here. We're just going to put it in terms, plug in the numbers, and then that can be evaluated. It'll be equivalent to the number. So it's going to be it's going to be in exact terms. So we have the 1/12 outside, and we're just going to plug in our our top function first, 326 power of 3 over 2 minus 6 to the power of 3 over 2. And that is going to be our answer for question 8.